In this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is for you to create and start selling online courses on Memopedia.net. So first off, you need to head over to your vendor's dashboard. From your dashboard, head over to your product, and then you're going to go create product and just select maybe JavaScript course. So I'm just going to say that, and then I'll say I want to create a course. So go ahead and create product, and then it brings you to the page where you can complete your product. So we're going to select an image. Like I told you, you could also select a video. So make sure you upload the image. All right. Then you could also add a video if you want. All right. So here, let's add a subtitle for our course. So let's just say something: learn JavaScript from the beginning. All right. Then we're going to add a description. So I'm just going to add. Oh, okay. I copy it keyboard once more. So once again, let's just add any category here just as an example. And then we're going to add more categories so that everything is synchronized. I'm going to sell the course for, I'll say $50 for the regular price, and I'll sell it for maybe $29 for the sale price, and then I'll click on save changes. Once you've done this first step, the next step is to add your course curriculum, or sorry, the course details. So you come to your course details and you just go through and set up everything that's here. So you add a welcome message. For now, I'm just going to just paste the same thing in every field. So maybe I'll just copy just a short excerpt and just paste in the field. This is your intended learner. So this is where you want to say those that have blah, 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 knowledge of HTML, CSS, or whatever it is you want to do. Maybe I'll add another one. Then here, this is the learning outcome. Maybe I'll add another one. Then the prerequisites for taking your course. So you just go ahead and do that, and then you click on save changes. Now, once you've done that, you need to come to the curriculum. Now, this is the main part of the entire process. So here, I'm just going to create my first section. I'll call this section introduction. And then you can now start adding videos, article, or even a quiz. So let me run through that. So I'll first add a video. And here, this video, I'll just call it intro, or let's say course demo. Course demo. So you have some sort of demo, and then I'm just going to add a title, and then I'll upload a video. So click on upload video, and let's just select a short video to upload. And you can see the video is uploaded. Well, this doesn't really do anything for now, but I'm just going to click on publish, and that's going to be set here. Now, when I add a video, always make sure when you add a video, or when you make changes to this page, make sure you click save changes. All right. Now I've added a video. Now let me show you how you can add an article. So maybe like whatever article you want to add, I'll just say resources. So here, this is where you're not going to add maybe links to external resources or whatever it is you want to add, but I'm just going to leave it as this. Click on publish, and then click on save changes. All right. The last thing you can do is you can add a quiz. So I'll just click on add quiz. You can see it has been added here. So I'll just say first quiz, and then I'll just maybe add an instruction, answer all questions. And then you just want to set a time limit of maybe 5 minutes, and the pass score, whatever it is you want to do, but I'll just leave it at 70%. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and add some questions. So I'm just going to add maybe one question. All right, so this is question, and it's going to be a multiple choice question, but there's true or false, there's fill in the blank. So maybe I'll do true or false just to make it fast. Now, my question here, I'll say JavaScript, right, is a programming language. All right, and then the correct answer is true. So I'll select my correct answer, and then I can go ahead and add more questions. So just like that, I can save my changes. So this is just one section in the course, and I could go ahead and add a new section. You can see. So let me collapse everything so you can see. You can see this is the first section, is introduction section. I can even collapse it if I want, and then you can add another section if you want. Now, once you're done with, you know, the details of the curriculum, you can just come to status and set it to publish, and then you can just go ahead and save changes. And that's how easy it is for you to create a course and sell on Memopedia. And I'll go to the shop page to show you what the course looks like. You can see JavaScript beginner course. So your students can, or people that visit Memopedia can buy this course and, you know, start learning. I can choose to enroll now. You can see the details about the course and all of that, and then I can start learning once I buy the course. So that's how easy it is for you to create a course and start selling on Memopedia in minutes. All right, that's about it for this one. I will see you in another one.